In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your LinkedIn profile in just 5 minutes. First things first, let's navigate to the LinkedIn website. You'll be met with the option to sign in. You can do this quickly by clicking sign in with Google if you have a Google account linked, or simply continue with the account details you usually use. Occasionally, LinkedIn beefs up its security with a quick captcha verification to confirm you're not a robot. This is pretty standard stuff intended to keep your data safe and secure. Once you've successfully logged in, take a glance at the top right corner of your screen. That's where you'll find your profile photo, which essentially acts as the gateway to your LinkedIn persona. Clicking on your photo will reveal a drop-down menu that holds the key to personalizing your profile. Within this menu, you'll spot the View Profile option, a straightforward choice that takes you directly to your LinkedIn profile as it appears to other LinkedIn users. It's your digital handshake in the professional world, so let's make it count. Next, let's make some edits. You'll see icons resembling pencils scattered around your profile. These are your tools for transformation. Click on any one of them to start editing different sections of your profile. Your name, your headline, your current position, location, and even your educational background. This is your opportunity to keep your professional story up to date. Reflect on what you'd like your network and potential connections to know about you. Have you taken on a new role, learned a new skill, moved to a new city? This is the place to showcase those milestones. After you've done making changes, whether minor tweaks or major overhauls, the final step is to save your edits. It might seem like a small action, but clicking save applies all your updates, ensuring your LinkedIn profile presents the most current and accurate version of your professional self. Remember, your LinkedIn profile is often the first impression you make on potential employers, clients, or partners. Keeping it polished and up to date is key to maintaining a professional image and making meaningful connections in your industry. And there you have it, a refreshed LinkedIn profile in just a few clicks, all within 5 minutes. It's a simple yet impactful way to take charge of your online professional presence, whether you're job seeking, networking, or just keeping your credentials current. These steps ensure your LinkedIn profile works just as hard as you do. Stay tuned for more quick and easy guides to navigate your digital world with confidence.